The nature of reality is a complex and multifaceted concept that has fascinated humans for centuries. From the majesty of the mountains to the intricacy of the single cell. Reality is a tapestry of wonder and complexity that continues to elude our understanding. However, one path towards understanding the nature of reality is through knowing oneself. By delving into our own consciousness and exploring the depths of our being, we gain a newfound perspective on the world around us. Through self-reflection and introspection, we come to realize that our own perception of reality is deeply intertwined with our own experiences, our beliefs, and our biases. By acknowledging and confronting these aspects of ourselves, we open ourselves up to new perspectives and ways of seeing the world anew. This is the trick, changing our perception through inner exploration. As we grow in self-awareness, we also develop a great capacity for empathy and understanding towards others and their difference, their different, unique reality. This is the gift. We begin to recognize that each individual has their own unique perspective and way of experiencing reality, and that these perspectives are equally valid and valuable. In this way, the journey towards self-knowledge is not only a path towards personal growth and fulfillment, which I think a lot of us are about self-empowerment, which is the first key, but it's also towards a greater understanding of the world and the people in it. It's really this diversity that is so fascinating. By knowing ourselves, we gain the tools to navigate the complexities of reality with clarity and purpose, and to appreciate the wonder and beauty that surrounds us. And in the end, the quest for understanding the nature of reality is a journey that must be taken individually, one step at a time. And by embracing the path of self-knowledge and introspection into nature immersion, we can unlock a world of wisdom and wonder that transcends the limitations of our own perceptions and biases. And in doing so, we can begin to appreciate the true magnificence of the reality that surrounds us, that is within us, and that truly enlightens this realm. Reality is a journey of wonder and complexity, and it is through knowing ourselves that we can unlock its mysteries and appreciate its grace. This is where we begin to enter the door of love. The nature of reality is a complex and multifaceted concept